Thank you for joining us today with Southern Mechanical's videos on how to maintain your heating system. I'm Tom Watchers. I'm the Senior Technician with Southern Mechanical. We're going to discuss the importance of your air filter. Right here we have a typical wall-mounted unit. This is a heat pump air handler, but we have the recommended filter that came with the unit from the manufacturer. It's easy to change with just moving that little piece of metal. You can take the filter out. You can see your air conditioning coil in there, or your indoor coil is a heat pump. And to change it, you just merely drop a new one in and move the little piece of metal back down, and it holds it in. Now, if this becomes restricted, the same thing will happen to this unit. It will work harder. It has temperature sensors up here that will overheat. It will cause it to cycle off. But in the case of your heat pump, it's going to keep running. And you could damage your outdoor unit if you don't have the proper airflow across the indoor coil in the heating season, because it makes the compressor work really hard as if it was a 110-degree summer day in air conditioning mode. Now, there's several types of filters. You can use a pleated filter. The reason it's pleated, it's more restrictive, but you have more surface area to make up for it. It would actually be this wide if you straightened it out where it was flat. It's a good filter. Now, the filters that are, some of them call them electrostatic filters, those are very restrictive filters. They can actually harm your heat pump. They can actually harm your air conditioner because they're too restrictive. Now, if they were designed from the front end, the air intake would have been, say, twice as big to allow for this restriction. You'd have had more surface area. So we recommend you only using the filters that the manufacturer recommended to be used in your equipment so it will operate properly. Thank you for joining us today on our video on airflow and filters.